Morning. This is Ricky Geronimo. Today I'm gonna do the 281 checking and double checking from a supplier. So this is a refurbished M281fdw HP. So today I'm gonna check fax, network, and Windows. If needs update, I have to update the firmware. So first, I have to install this is the network wire. Install the network wire, and then the fax the fax cable is over here, and then the power plug. Now this is the color toner located. So in order to put it more secure, you can put the yellow first, so it will not take the weight on the outside part, and then follow the color guide, and the last one is the black one. Push it slowly because this one is really sensitive. This is the power on button to turn it on, and watch until it calibrates. This is the LCD. Wait until it settles and sets. Now it's initializing. After initializing, it will set to the programs. And then it says HP install, means the firmware is okay, but we will check what is the latest firmware update. So if it's a little older, we have to update it. Now it's calibrating. Now it's after calibrated. So this is not what you're gonna see on the screen. So you can check the network if it's connected to network. If it's not connected, you have to reset. Now automatic, the company sets to default, so you can see this is the IP of the company. And press OK. Go back. So it's the network is 10.0.0.0/18, and then you go to the computer and program it. So I have to program it here. Okay. Now, what was that? So this computer, to the computer you have to type. It says in the network 10.0.0 and what's that? 188. I'm sorry. Again. 1 88. Do you see it? The color turns to blue, means it's connected. Now the device is connected, so this is sleep mode. When you say sleep mode, we have to reset it, and it says there you go, it's connected. So I have to import the so I have to put a new ID number, or the ID number that's supposed to, the ID number will be put is 27844 and apply. Now go back to home and report. So you can see the report now. I'm gonna see the configuration if the printer is updated. Wait for here. Wait for the result for the print. And now I'll show you where's the firmware located. So it says this is the firmware. Firmware is 2017. So kind of old. It's way behind, like 2 years back. So we have to update the latest one. Okay. So in order to update the firmware, if we proceed to everything, we have to upgrade everything. Go back to home and scroll the tab. Go to setup and go to service. Once you find the service, you can see go to laser update and check for updates now. Now it connects, means there's an update. The network found an update, so we have to install it. Go sorry for the noise while I'm recording this. There's a lot of noise behind me. Behind me is the guys working. Don't know. Printing documents. Wait, okay, let's have to wait a little bit. Now, after it's updating, it's gonna say it's gonna reboot. After rebooting, you can see this program on the screen. You have to wait until it's settled down or set to the home page. Programming. Now it's erasing the old one to the new one. So we have to wait a little bit time to complete the update. It's programming and programming. Hopefully it's gonna update. Now I see the printer rebooting. I'm just wondering, this one takes a little bit time compared to the other printers. Let's see. If there's any problem, then you have to turn this one. Now it's initializing. Okay. Initializing means the update is successfully updated. It's analyzing still. Finally, it's settled down. Now we have to connect it again to the network, to the and then go back to the computer and press the configuration. We'll see if it's updated. So before, this is the old one. This is the old firmware 2017, right? And now this is the new one. So firmware date code is 2020. Means all netbook board, the boards are good. So after that, we're gonna go to the second process. We're gonna test the fax. So go back to setup, fax setup. Follow my fingers, and then okay. Phone installed, okay. Do you dial any connect you outside line or call rating, for example 9 or star 70? Just say no. Yes, every print. Do you want a small page in there? Yes. Do you have a dedicated phone number for fax? Yes, for fax only. And then you have to input your fax number, company fax number. Okay, then press OK. Put the company name, for example TD. Okay. Does the phone line use the steering rings? Yes. Just a single, I put single. Usually product setup answer calls automatically. Okay. Do you want to change the date or time? Yes. And then put the current time. Time set 11:48. 11:48 PM. Hit the button OK. And set the date, month date, it's up to you. So it's up to your reference, but for me, I want the month first too. 08 04 21. Okay. Set up OK. Now it says running fax test. So the fax is connected. So we're gonna see if the fax, it's only two kinds. The result will be a pass, fail, or the fax pass or fail. So okay, this is good. The fax pass. It's pass. So the next you have to do is send some fax to a certain number to see the result if it's connected. So go back to home, press the fax, and then enter the fax number of the company you want to send. Then start the fax. So you can see the fax is rolled down. Speed up to the ADF. So it means everything is good for the machine too. ADF is working good. This is dialing. So we have to wait for the result. Still connecting. A little bit more patient. probably the line is busy. It's like a slot, just buffering. It says okay, one page sent okay, and then it's gonna print the result. So whatever you send to the ADF, that is the one you're gonna see on the copy of the result. So this is the one I sent, and this is the copy of the result, and it says okay. Jury's time, yeah, okay. So jury's time is 1 minute and 11 seconds. So good, everything's good. Now we gotta test the window. So we gotta go back to the computer. And look for the devices. Device and printers. And 281. Device and printers, you have to erase some unnecessary devices here, so you have more space. I go to the add printer. The printer that was listed in the list. Add a printer using TCP IP address host, and then you have to enter the IP address. So I don't know what's the IP address. Okay. 10.0.188. Next. Okay. So successful through the window. And next. Do not use this printer for share now. Next, and then you have to print the test page once or twice is okay. So the test page has been sent to your printer, means it's good. See the result. Wow, perfect. So this is the Windows page test. This is the result. This is the time. You can see the time, the date, and the IP is there. So it's good, sir. Good to go. Now, because everything is good, we have to go back to the settings. Sorry. And we have to lock up the settings so it will not update anymore, because sometimes when it was delivered to the company, once the printer says update or anything, they press the yes button, so sometimes it messes up the whole system, the program. So what I'm gonna do, I go back to lizard update and manage updates. Allow downgrade, no. Check automatically, no. Prompt before install, always prompt. Allow updates, no, because we already updated it. So what if we put it in automatic update? The user will update it automatically too, and it messes up the whole system. The programs, something like that. So everything is good now for now. So I think that's it for now. So this is HP M281fdw color printer. It's ready to go, ready to wrap. And delivered. Okay, what's my video for the next printer that I will refurbish or fix or evaluate. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you will like it, even though it's not so clear with my description, but as much as possible I let you see what I'm doing. And after that, by the way, you have to remove everything. Do not forget to remove the toner. So first in, first out. Remove the last one first. And so on and so forth. And the first one you put. And put slowly, because this is really a sensitive parts assembly. And then close. And then this is ready to go. You can turn up the printer now. Turn it up and see. Bye bye. Thank you.